if you had a customer saying, hey, what should I look for in the tech company I'm trying to partner with for my power needs, what are maybe some of the questions you'd tell them to ask that company?
We want folks that are going to be responsive and willing to learn, but also able to partner with us and lean on us, bring us in to help your customers build out the solution, right? We know not everybody can be an expert on everything. Jordan, extremely knowledgeable on a lot of things, but there are times when questions are going to pop up and we're going to need Pine Cove to rely on some of our engineers. Having partners and solutions providers like yourselves that have trust in their manufacturing partnerships, I think is something that end users should look for when they're asking around or considering working with a company.
And the other nice thing with our partnership is, I'll easily admit I don't know everything. I'm still learning. And there's a lot I need to learn. But if there are situations that I don't know this type of outlet, I don't know this type of wattage, I can easily rely on Billy and their team to help me build out the correct design for that location, or say, this is the unique situation we have. What are some options that we can plan around this? This is out of the norm of what we typically do. And so it's nice having that reassurance that if I do have questions, I can reach out to them directly and get a quick response.
Just to add to those things, I think the biggest thing, I'm going to go back to just sort of the life cycle management. As you're trying to find a provider, whether that's both manufacturer and reseller, because there's definitely a hand holding there. You can find a great manufacturer, maybe not the right reseller, or vice versa. The biggest question you should be asking is, who's going to help me be able to forecast and maintain my equipment correctly, right? And I think the maintenance part is key. And everyone can kind of sell you something quick and get you something that might work to start with, but have they really talked to you about your power management needs over time? Jordan, you mentioned everything's going to PoE. You need digital clocks and with audio enhancement and just all these other things that didn't require PoE in the past that now do. Have you forecasted for that? Are your rooms going to change in your buildings? And have you really planned and prepared for that? Are they capable of doing that? And are they actually doing that for you?